Like on every aspect of it. Like if Ninja had a he's like a guy that has not my shit on his profile, but he has every badge. And he's unlocked everything. Yeah, he's unlocked everything. He doesn't have any cosmetic stuff. Pop it. Oh, this shit is loose. Use this as a shield. Carry it around, huh? You grab this side. You are a brave soul not wearing a mask, paintball mask. I just, like if I get shot in here, I'm just gonna taste it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's the only reason why I don't want to wear that.
Yeah, but like the sides and the cheeks and stuff. Man, I don't even like this mask because it's not long enough, bro. It's getting shot in the throat point blank. Yeah. Me and the guy who's on my own team, we were running around like this bunker to clear it out, and I was like, I saw his armband. I said, hey, armband, you know, we're good. He's like, okay. Come around the corner, boom, shot me straight in the throat, dude, like this far away. I was so pissed.
So I haven't got shot with a paintball for like 20 something years ago, when they first started playing paintball. So I don't know, kind of forgot how it feels now.
You decided, hey, first strikes are the way to go. Huh? Hey, Lucy.
You got.
No problem. Well, it's not shooting.
Pull it out. Listen. You got three runners on that team. Him, Jumpy, Python, and Tyree. So as long as you keep them at bay, we're good. Just when you're on your side, watch your side, call out. I mean, if you get hit, you know, haul out so we know who's over there. Watch them first strikes. If you ain't played with them yet, you'll hear them. They'll whisper. It sounds like a jet engine flying by your face.
Yeah. I heard about the BBs before, but never seen in real life, and now I see it.
Oh yeah, they're wicked.
What do you do? He said, all right, let me put the safety on it.
So right now we're playing team deathmatch, or what are we playing?
Now we gotta find those chips. It's got
find the chips?
Oh, yeah, the
launch
blue,
codes or whatever.
Yeah, the blue.
So after we find it, we bring it back, or we just...
You gotta give it to me. I've got a radio, and I gotta call the number on it.
Okay.
It'll have numbers on it.
So it could be anywhere?
Anyway, he said it'll be laying on the ground. He said it's not on anything, in anything, or under. It's on the ground somewhere.
So you get hit, you go back?
So wait, is this where we start?
Do we back up a little? I want to stay in the distance.
Hey, Justin, where do we start? Oh, okay. So is it unlimited respawns on it? Unlimited respawns, really.
I'm hiding in the trenches, man.
Oh yeah, I'm right here. Them trenches look nasty, look at that.
So wait, are they on that corner?
Yeah. They're right there, Sam.
Stop.
They're right there.
Todd, I'd say we go right.
Oh, D, where you going?
Because if we go left, the sun's going to be
Well, we gotta have people go left. Hey.
All right, they're moving on the left. They're moving on the left.
Yeah, push that way. Push that way. Keep going. I got you.
I got one guy. 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock. 11 here. Huh? Huh?
Leaking air. Something is leaking. I hear air pushing.
Oh, I see. He's over there, Isaiah. That water's coming right there. You see that guy over there?
Yeah. 11 o'clock. Near 11.
Yeah. He just moved, He ran across. He ran across.
Kenny, 2 o'clock.
Got it. I'm pinned down, You see him? Oh, do you see him?
Yeah, but somebody's got to hold him. You can.
I'm out of fucking breath. They're right to the right over there.
GoPro, stop recording.